Mental health doesn't have to be a horror story. It doesn't have to have a bad outcome. You can get better. It can be a story of hope. And I think that's a really important message. This is a hopeful sculpture. The light brings the hope.
So we find a way of scanning Twitter and being able to allow the whole of the city to communicate to the piece their emotion, and that will trigger a particular lighting scene.
Hashtag head above water London, hashtag happy or hashtag sad.
That head that's going up there is not there to just look at and go, oh, the mood of London's this or the mood of London's that. That's there for you. It's there for you. It's there for us to actually think about how we're feeling, or being able to put yourself in somebody else's shoes and maybe just saying to them, are you okay?
We all know somebody who's experiencing or has experienced mental health problems.
1 in 4 people this year and every year will suffer some kind of mental illness. I want people to feel that our own emotions, our own position can change. Things can get better.